Today let's talk about how to fix Netflix payment not working. Now if your payment is not going through within Netflix, the first thing that you can do in this situation is try to update or re-enter your payment details. So normally you would get a similar screen being displayed within Netflix if payment has not gone through. But sometimes you may also get an option of straight away the updating the payment. If you see this option, you can tap on this and then update your payment method, or just re-enter it. If you don't see it, you need to manually head over to the billing portal and then simply re-enter your information. So if you entered the card, make sure you re-enter your card details and try to see if this issue is solved. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to clear out the data and the cache of the application. Simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage and cache, and right here you should be able to tap on clear storage as well as clear cache. Apart from this, what you can also try out is try to reinstall the application of Netflix. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.